Little trade recap for you guys. Just got done trading. It's still 9:58. I just hit a 1 to 2 R. This did end up pulling down or coming down to hit a 1 to 5 just now. But the reason why I got out at a 1 to 2, right around there, was due to the fact that as we came down, I think I got a better entry than that. Yeah, I did. Got him like right there. But anyways, why I got out of 1 to 2 was I saw we came down and then we retraced all the way back up, and NASDAQ was pushing up so hard that I felt, okay, if this comes down again to a 1 to 2 and just taps it, I'm going to get out unless it flies through. And that's what it did. It came down, tapped the 1 to 2 again, as you guys can see right there on this 940 candle on the 5 minute. And NASDAQ was still pushing up. So I was like, okay, we might honestly reverse here. I was very a little hesitant about this thing going lower because we had these lows we possibly just could have swept out, and this 15 minute was so big I didn't know if it was going to retrace up, and my stop was at break even because we hit 1 to 2 the first time. I did want to hold out for 1 to 3, but didn't end up it did end up getting hit. But like I said, NASDAQ was retracing very hard, and US 30 did the same. And then I said, okay, if it pushes down to 1 to 2 again and doesn't push past it, I'll get out. So that's why, let me get rid of that. And that's why I got it at a 1 to 2. Still really good day. 1 to 2 R's, nothing to complain about whatsoever. Made 650 on this trade. Nothing crazy, but it's a lot better than working a regular ass job. I made that in about, 6 minutes or so. $650 in 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Don't criticize my math. I'm a trader, not a mathematician. Okay, let's get into this. So, coming into today, we had news at 8:30. It didn't really affect it too much. Yeah, we had a wick down, but 9:45 is when a bunch of volume came in. We wicked out these highs, swept them out, and started pushing down since. I had my zones here. Obviously, you can see if I drag it even more over, very heavy support and resistance zone. Every time we tap it, we're rejecting off of it or moving in a certain direction after tapping it, falling, tapping it, falling, tapping it, falling, tapping it, going higher, tapping it, going higher, tapping it, going higher. That was my resistance zone. Support, I could have had a few different supports. Could have had these lows here, or if you wanted a little better entry, you could have went right off of these of what I did. We have a rejection, very just good support and resistance zone here. So that's what I was looking at. Okay, we had some resistance over here, turned into support here, and that broke. I entered, very simple. And yeah, it's a very simple strategy, guys. It's the same thing. Every single day, mark your support and resistance up. Look for a break on the 5 or the 15. Maybe I'll go out to the 30, maybe to look for overall structure and see where we could potentially reverse that. But yeah, guys, that's the video for today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. On this week, I am 4-1. Pretty solid week. Maybe I'll trade tomorrow, maybe not. But peace.